Hello, my dear friends. Hope you're doing great wherever you are. You know, it's very interesting that until now, there are some people who are struggling to love themselves. And since I've started talking about this topic, I was asked a lot of questions regarding to self-love, how to practice self-love, and why. Why do people need to love themselves? Well, it's very easy, very simple. As I've talked before, if you don't love yourself, you can't love or you can't provide love to others, especially those that are close to you. So that's why it's important for you to love, to prioritize your life, to prioritize your needs, to take care of yourself, to set healthy boundaries, to accept yourself just the way you are and who you are, to talk positive things about yourself, stop self-criticism, and change with affirmation. Always talk about yourself positively. You should get rid of all the negative talks about yourself. You shouldn't be hard on yourself. The list goes on. So all the things that I have mentioned or talked about regarding self-love and many more that you need to research for yourself are very important and crucial to your life. So that's why I've been talking about this topic, and that's why it's important for me and you to love ourselves. There are several stages to go through self-love or towards the journey to love yourself. The first one is self-awareness. The first stage towards self-love is self-awareness. If you don't aware of yourself, your feelings, your needs, the times that you go down, the times that you are okay, all the things that are pulling you back, all the things that are touching your nerves, if you are not aware, then it's very difficult for you to love yourself. So you need to go through that stage, which is very important and crucial, that you should know more about yourself and what you feel and what you need. The second stage is self-acceptance. I've talked it before. You always have to accept yourself so that you will avoid self-criticism and you change it with positive affirmation. For instance, you want to be talking about yourself negatively. You'll also always talk about yourself in a positive way, and you accept the way you are, who you are, just physically, mentally, everything about you, how God created you, and everything. And you should be avoiding or stop comparing yourself to others or lowering your self-esteem. So once you accept yourself, your self-esteem will go high.